Hi everyone, my name is Madison Allison and my partner for this project was Adrian. For our technology tool, we chose the little bird tails. So when you log in, this is the page that you would come to. You are allowed to join your school, so if other teachers are part of it, you can share things that you have created with them. But the Little Bird Tales website is a way to create a novel or a story using pictures. You can type in your text and then you can also record your voice. From a teacher's perspective, you can create lessons for your students to go into and to watch, almost like a flipped classroom tool, and they can respond to your video like with an interactive by moving things around to answer your questions. I wanted to show you this LBT lessons link here. If you click on this already has lessons created that are Common Core aligned. So if I'm a second grade teacher and click on grade 2, and get lessons, I already have all these lessons here that I created for me that I can easily assign to my students. So if I'm on my home page, so I can show you how this program works, the first thing that you can do is your students can use the ArtPad. With the ArtPad, they can create illustrations for their book on the computer. So there's different paint sizes, different colors, and they can create them and then save them. Once they are ready to actually create their story, they will click on Create Tale. When they get here, they will do a cover art or the cover of their story, and they can upload a picture for that. So if I click on Upload, and I want to upload this picture as my cover, it will load in there, and then up here I can change the title of my story and then also record my voice. Once I'm finished with that, I can hit save and it'll give me an option to do the next page. I'm going to show you what I had created, that way you can see what it will look like. So I click on My Tales, and this is the story that I created. It's called Where Do Rivers Start? Currently, right now, we are talking about erosion in my classroom, and we're talking about where rivers start, and they start at a mountain, and they all flow towards an ocean. So this was a story that I created. I'm going to play it for you. So I'm going to click on Play Tale. So where do rivers start?
This is the tale of where rivers start. When one wants to know where a river begins, we follow it to the top of a mountain. All rivers start at a mountain. Streams and creeks will flow into the river and join the water as it flows to its final destination. I have finally found my way to the ocean. All rivers start at a mountain and flow towards the ocean.
Okay, so that was my video that I created. For you to see it up and close, if I hit this edit button here, this is my page where I actually am manipulating my different pages. So here's my cover page, and I clicked on this green button to record my voice. Here was my page 1. If I click on it, you can see the text that I have typed in, and then also that I recorded my voice reading that text out loud. Here is my page 2 of the same thing. And then my page 3. So this is a good, easy way for my students to be able to see what the lesson is about. And then also, if they want to create a story to show their understanding, so maybe I would ask my students to create a story to represent the direction that a river flows and where it starts and where it ends. So I'm going to click on Save. If this is something that I would want to share, it's super easy to embed. If I click on My Tales, click on Embed Codes. Here is a way to embed it, and which is awesome for Google Classroom, that I can embed that right in there, and then also links to it, which I could also put into my Google Classroom. So it's a very simple tool, it's very easy, and it'll really allow your students to be creative and show their understanding in different areas than just simply with paper and pencil. So I really hope you try this assessment tool. Thanks for listening.